Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about blockchain, a technology that's reshaping how we handle data, security, and trust in digital interaction. You may have heard of it through the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but its use cases go far beyond that. Blockchain is revolutionizing industries from finance to healthcare, supply chains, and governance. First, we can see what is blockchain. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology. It's like digital database, but unlike traditional systems where data is stored in a central location, here data is distributed across multiple computers or nodes. The key features of blockchains are decentralization, immutability, transparency, security. Decentralization means here there is no single authority controls the data. Immutability means once the data is recorded, it cannot be altered. Then third feature is transparency means all participants can verify transactions, and fourth is security, here data is encrypted and protected from tampering. Then we can see how does blockchain works. First step is transaction creation. If someone requests a transaction like transferring money from one place to another place, the request transaction is initiated. Then block is formed based on the transactions. And once block is formed, it is validated using consensus mechanisms. The consensus mechanisms are proof of work or proof of stake. Once block is get validated, it is added with the net blockchain and distributed with all other nodes in a blockchain. This is a whole working of blockchain. Then consensus mechanisms. There are two types of consensus mechanisms are mostly used in blockchain. First one is proof of work, second is proof of stake. Proof of work requires most computational power to validate a node. More in Bitcoin, proof of work consensus mechanisms was used. While in proof of stake, it is energy efficient and validators are chosen based on stake. Types of blockchain. There are four types of blockchain. One is public blockchain, second is private blockchain, third is consortium blockchain, fourth is hybrid. Public blockchain means it's open to all. Private blockchain controlled access will be provided to the nodes, and the consortium blockchain managed by multiple organizations, and in hybrid blockchain is a combination of above three. And some of the real world use cases of blockchain are cryptocurrency. Example for cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and supply chain tracking. Walmart best example is Walmart. Walmart uses blockchain for supply chain tracking and healthcare records, voting system, smart contracts. Likewise, it has so many real world use cases. First example, we can see supply chain. In supply chain, to trace the product from origin to delivery, blockchain will be used. So because of blockchain, it's more secure. So it will reduce the fraud and error and ensure food safety and compliance. The main challenges of blockchain technologies are scalability is slower with more users. Second is energy consumption. In some models, more energy needed. And third is regulation. Laws are evolving. And adoption, resistance due to complexity. The future of blockchain. Blockchain is expected to integrate with artificial intelligence, IoT, and edge computing to create smarter, more secure ecosystem. Decentralized finance is already disrupting banks, while blockchain-based identity system promise safer digital transaction. So In general, blockchain is much more a buzzword. It's a transformative force enabling trust, security, and efficiency in digital system. As the technology matures, its potential applications are limitless. Thank you all.